Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Tag On. Friends, today I'm going to show that how to create a Facebook ads that is get more visits. Friends, if you have a new Facebook page or if you have an existing Facebook page, you need more visitors on your page, right? And also you need more sales. So in this video I'll show you how to set up a Facebook ads that is get more visits. So without further delay, go to on the computer screen. So friends, today I'll run the Facebook ads that is get more visits. So you can run your Facebook ads from your ads manager or your Facebook page, right? So you have to go your Facebook page because I want to run these ads from your Facebook page. So I'll click on here also. After that, I'll click on create ads. At first, I'll select my Facebook ads goal. So I'll click on change. Then I'll click on get more visits. Then I'll click on sub. Then I'll click on save. After that, on the ad creative, you have to give your descriptions, you have to select your media, and you have to select button level, right? So first I'll give you the descriptions. So I've written here. After writing descriptions, it will be different from your business because your product and your service is different from mine, right? So it will be different from mine. So after that, you have to click on select media. Then you have to select your media, which media you want to select for ads. After that, you have to click on button level. There is only one button, so you have to select visit page. And a special ad category you have to turn off because my ad is not on the special ad category. As you know, on the special ad category, there is 4 types of ads, right? Social issues, elections or politics, housing, employment and credit. So if you want to run these 4 types of ads on your page, you have to take permission before running this ad. Otherwise, maybe within a few seconds, your ads will be disabled and your ad account also will be disabled. So be careful to run these ads before, right? Turn on this one. After that, you have to come on audience. So you have to click on here on audience details. If you want to select like man, you can select like this. Women, you can select like this. Otherwise, you can select all. Age, you can do like this, my friends. You can select from here. On the locations, you can select here. Just type on here, and after that, you can write your country. Like I want to write Malaysia. Select Malaysia. But if you want to run these ads like any special states, then you have to write the name on the states. Like I want to run these ads on California. So you have to write here California states like this, and it will be added here. See, but if you select any states, there is one thing, my friends. You can select the range. Like if you select London, see, there will come on range. If you want, you can select the whole London. Otherwise, you can select if you want that only I will cover as 10 mile or 10 kilometer or 25 kilometer. You can do it, right? This is another customized options. After that, I'll come on detailed targeting. So for detailed targeting, you have to click on browse. For detailed targeting, you can target based on 3 categories, that is demographics, interest, and also the behaviors. But each of categories will find bunch of categories. See, there's a lots of categories. There is a rectangle. If you click on here, if you give the check mark, it will be added on the top. See, so you have to read it carefully. Every bunch of categories, which category is relevant to your business and which category is more relevant to your business, you have to select first, right? After that, you can come on interest. Also same like this, you have to read out all the categories and you have to select the suitable category for your business or service. Same like for behaviors. Then you have to go back from here. After that, simply you have to click on save audience. If you're not sure which categories or which target audience you will select for your business or service, you can email me or you can make comment in comment box. I'll try to answer as soon as possible based on your business. Then you have to come on the duration. For the duration, if you want to run this ad per day, so you have to select this one. After that, you have to select the range of cost. How much cost you want to expense for per day. So per day I want to expense like $10, right? So it will be like that. But if you want to run this ad for 7 days or 15 days, you have to select the second one, then you have to select the date or days. For how many days you want to run this ad. So I want to run this ad like 15 days, so I have written here 15. So it will be end on June 23rd from this date, right? After that, on the placements, I want to turn off this one because I don't want outside of the Facebook this ad will show on Instagram and Messenger. See, there is Instagram and Messenger. If you turn on this one, this ad will show on Instagram and Messenger. And also, beside of your target audience, it will show on the same type of people who are interested to take the service or to take the products. And the meta pixel, if you have a website or if you have a landing page of your Facebook page, so you can turn on this one and you can click on get started to link up with your landing page or Facebook page. So it will be easier to target your audience next time easily, right? After that, you have to come on payment method. You have to add your payment method. I have already added, that's why you are watching the screen like that. Otherwise, you will find here add payment method. So you have to click on add payment method. After that, you have to write your name on the card number and the validity date. And the validity date. And also the CVC number you will find opposite of the card. You have to written over there. After doing all the things, you have to come on the right hand side. You have to see your ad preview. If it is okay with you, then you can click on publish. Otherwise, you can click on the left side, which sections you need to edit. You have to edit first. After that, you have to click on publish. When you click on publish, this ad will go on the review on Meta Teams. They will review it. If your ad is compliant with the community guidelines of Meta Teams, they will approve it on your page and your ads will be run on your Facebook page. Otherwise, they will not accept your ads and you will get a notification of acceptance or neglect. So friends, like this, if you want, you can run your Facebook ads that is get more visits, right? So if you have any questions about Facebook ads that is get more visits, feel free to ask in the comment box. I'll try to answer as soon as possible. Friends, if this video helpful to you, please like, share, comment and especially subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get next video notifications. Thank you for watching. Hope so next time I'll come with another exciting video. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.